So hello doston, welcome back again to my channel, and this is another video I'm came with it. So this is another product unboxing video. So today I'm going to unbox Fastrack watch, analog watch. Okay, let's go inside the box. This is box I have previously unboxed it. Okay, so this is my second time I'm doing the same thing. So this is the box. Here you can see, cute, made of tin box. So this is the watch, and there is something inside this. Warranty card, warranty registration card, and here is a tag, price tag, or model tag, tag paper. Okay, leave it for now. And this is the product, smartwatch. So not the smartwatch, is the analog watch. Okay, this is it. Can you see? Cute looking smartwatch. This is not nylon, not silicone. This is made of kind of plastic. I think so. This is made of plastic. This is a little hard. And Buckley's, there is a logo of Fastrack company, and there is something written over there, stainless steel. This is the feel is good, looking is good. This is quite hard, and is two button there. This is light button, something. Yes, this is the light button. Okay, I think you will not seeing the light right now, but at the night you can see after. No, you are not seeing it. Okay, so everything is perfect. Weight is not so heavy, but little 80-90 gram around. And there is stainless steel back case, and this is the first logo on there, and that's it. And this is strap changeable strap. This is time adjustment button, and that's it. Thank you.